Check out this 2010 Chevrolet Malibu. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Call today to schedule a test drive.